muchas veces cuando las comunidades han ignorado varios aspectos medulares, por ejemplo, de los proyectos, eso no solamente los ha puesto en riesgo, sino que les ha generado una desventaja bastante importante.
Energy transition is everybody's business. So we need to come together, band together, and begin to solve this problem. Where there is unity, there is victory.
They are made to realize that power will not be given to them by anybody else, but that they themselves have the power, and they should just make sure that they utilize the power that they have to hold duty bearers to account.
We cannot continue to allow the myth that the fossil fuel industry brings about development, brings about opportunities for innovation, opportunities for creating real jobs.
De tenir en tout cas des plaidoyers forts auprès des plus hautes autorités qui nous ont permis aujourd'hui, comme on appelle, d'avoir la publication de ces contrats.